Good day everyone, I am Paulo Del Francisco and today I will presenting my digital technology analysis in hospitality operations. This presentation is divided into two parts. Part A focuses on a scenario-based analysis of a hotel transitioning from manual to digital operations. Part B discussing one workplace technology trends and how it affects the hospitality industry and future jobs. So let's get started with part A. Scenario-based analysis. The scenario presents a mid-sized hotel that still uses manual paper-based system. Guest reservations are written in logbooks, housekeeping schedules are posted on whiteboards, and financial reports are prepared manually. The hotel plans to shift digital system to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance guest satisfaction. First, business tools or technology that can replace manual processes. The first tool is a property management system or PMS. This system can digitally handle guest reservation, check-in, check-outs, and room availability. The second tool, housekeeping management software. This replaces whiteboard schedules by assigning tasks digitally and updating room status in real time. The third tool is accounting and financial management software. This tool automates billing, payroll, and financial reports, reducing manual computation. Second, how this tool improve operational efficiency. A property management system improve efficiency by organizing guest information in one system, minimizing double bookings and long check-in times. Housekeeping management software improves coordination between front desk and housekeeping staff, ensuring rooms are clean on time and ready for the guest. Accounting software improves accuracy and save time by automatically generating financial reports and reducing human errors. And the last, one possible challenge and how it can be addressed. One major challenge during digital transformation is employee resistance and lack of technical skills. This can be addressed through proper training, gradual implementation, and management support to help employees adapt to new system. And let's move to the part B, workplace technology trends reflection. For part B, the workplace technology trends I selected is cloud computing. Number 1, explanation of the trends. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and software over the internet instead of using physical files or local computers. This allows employees to access information anytime and anywhere. The second, example of cloud computing in hospitality. A realistic example is when hotel use cloud-based reservation system where managers can monitor booking, guest data, and report online even when they are not physically at the hotel. The third, effect on future hospitality jobs. Cloud computing will require hospitality workers to have basic digital and technical skills. Work processes will become faster and more flexible, and new career opportunities may open in hotel IT management, data analysis, and system administration. In conclusion, digital technology is essential in improving hospitality operation by increasing efficiency, accuracy, and guest satisfaction. By adopting digital tools and workplace technologies trends such as cloud computing, hotels can better prepare for future challenges and career opportunities in the industry.